Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I am Gillian Berry, and today's video is gonna be awesome because I'm gonna be going over 5 reasons for you to go raw vegan. Going raw vegan has changed my life more than anything else on this planet. It is the best thing I've ever done, so I'm excited to give you my top 5 reasons, hopefully inspire you a little bit. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up right now and let's get started. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I create great videos every single week around the raw vegan lifestyle and health and wellness, spirituality, and all things leading to a better life for you guys. Let's get started with my top 5 reasons. My number 1 is energy. So I have more energy than anything else on the raw vegan diet, and this is the case for almost always anybody who transitions to this diet. So if you are doing this diet properly, you have non-stop energy. So this is one of my favorite things about this diet. I never crash, I'm never tired, I never feel like I need naps. It is literally just, you can thrive on so much energy. I have 2 young kids. I have one that wakes me up through the night every single night and has for 3 years, and I have not slept through the night in 3 years, and I still have so much energy. This is one of my favorite things because there's nothing worse than sort of crashing through the day and feeling lethargic, feeling tired. It makes you less productive. It is just amazing having all this energy. It just leads to nothing but better things for you guys. Number 2 is mood. You have such an increased mood, such a better mood on this diet. I am not saying it's a cure-all, heal-all for everything. You still have to deal with life stresses and life's problems, and things sure can come at you and come at you hard, but being all raw, it just makes you way better able to handle the things that do come at you, and just it leads to just such a better mood. I have such a better, happier overall mood. And I especially noticed that when I first transitioned to this diet in 2016. It was like September 1st, 2016. Literally by the end of the day, I couldn't stop laughing. I felt so good. I thought, this is crazy. Like, my mood was just the biggest change I noticed. And I mean, who doesn't want to feel good and feel happy? And that is just one of my favorite parts about this diet. The raw living fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, they just make you feel so alive and so good and so happy, and it's just much more harder to feel like down and crappy when you're eating those foods. My number 3 reason is you discover a whole new world of food. Your taste buds change, and I think some people think like, oh, this is gonna be boring, this diet, you only eat salads, but that couldn't be further from the truth. And even now, as a 5-year raw vegan, I'm learning new things and being introduced to new foods, new spices, new recipes each and every week still. It definitely is way more exciting to me than the cooked diet. The food is like easier to prepare, it takes less time, and it's so interesting, delicious, satisfying, and amazing. And I know at first when people transition, maybe the foods don't taste as good, but your taste buds do change. I think it takes like around 21 days, or it can even take a little bit longer if you've been eating a certain way for your entire life. But once your taste buds do change, it is worth it. You fall in love with these foods, and it's like a whole new life of just getting to know these foods, enjoying them, and I look forward to them so much. I do not crave cooked food at all, ever. I do not crave warm foods at all, ever. I know a lot of people think like, how do you do this in a warm climate or in a cold climate? How do you not have soup in the winter, this and that? But trust me, you guys, I never miss it. And I think a big reason because of that is I don't do things in moderation. I don't do like cheat days or have a little bit of this here and there. I've cut it all together. I'm fully raw, so I never crave the other foods, and I feel absolutely amazing. So you totally do fall in love with the foods, and I love it. My next point, number 4, is you feel so connected to your true self, your higher self, and just so much more spiritual. This is a big thing for me and a big reason to give the raw vegan lifestyle a shot. I think you should give it a shot because before I was raw vegan, I never truly felt in alignment with who I was. I know for some people it's not all diet, and they can feel like their creative side and their higher self and their true self without the diet. But for me, I never felt that. Like, I'm 39, so it was 5 years ago when I first started, and I never felt in alignment with who I was or truly happy before I started this diet. So now I feel so connected to just myself, God, the universe. It's just so much easier to meditate and get connected, to ask for signs and feel connected, and just feel in alignment with myself and my purpose. I've created this channel, and nothing has felt more in alignment or purpose with myself, and I never would have done any of this if I didn't transition to the raw vegan diet. It has changed my life in more ways than anything else I have ever done. So I'm on here to hopefully inspire you to give it a shot, and even if it feels too much, to give it a shot 100%, because I know it can be intimidating for some people. Even just adding in more fruits and vegetables here and there, or even trying like raw till 4 or something like that. It's totally worth it because you never know the world you might find on the other side of where you are right now. Number 5, my last point, last but not least, is your physical health improves dramatically when you transition to a raw vegan diet. So if you're doing this diet properly, in most cases, all of your health problems, your physical ailments, your internal problems will heal perfectly. Your body knows what to do and how to heal itself when it is given the right things. So this is the case for so many people. Even I think it's so interesting. If you look up Marcus Rothkranz from The Healthy Planet, him and Kara have been on YouTube for years, which a lot of my viewers know. But his eyesight, when he had thick glasses, he went 20/20. My eyesight, my prescription has gone from 550 down a couple of points as well. My eyes get better all the time. I had so many health problems before, which you guys know if you watch my channel, but I had major digestive problems, major skin problems, especially my back breaking out and my chest, just depression, constipation, so many issues. Doctors couldn't figure out what was wrong. And all I actually needed was a change in diet. So it's like other people say, you don't fill a car with something that's not intended for it. Like we don't take a car and fill it with Coca-Cola or fill it with like crazy things like slime or something that it's not intended for. So it's like our bodies, like give it what nature intended and you will just be shocked with the results. I have so many stories on my channel where people have had amazing before and after transformations, even juice cleanses. Sarah Erica, she was told she'd have to sit around in a wheelchair and wait to die. She did a 365-day juice cleanse. On day 366, she got rid of that wheelchair and she was running a marathon. So these foods have power, and even if you can't wrap your head around doing it 100%, just add in more living fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. It will do wonders for your gut. That is where everything starts. Our gut is truly our brain. That is where everything starts. And so many mental issues and physical issues are related to our gut. So you can change your gut, you can change your life. So again, this is the best thing I've ever done with my entire life. If you want to ask any questions about it, I'm happy to answer. Comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. And make sure you subscribe because like I said, I create great videos every single week. I post at least once a week, sometimes 2 or 3 times. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.